Hello WRCC fans, and it's been a while since I've done one of these. So it's been raining and we've been working on this car, and we've been away to Chateau Impney to the 75th National Rally, which were excellent. I mean, I know probably nobody from the MMOC is watching, but I'd just like to thank them for hosting a great event, and also Footman James for asking me to judge the concourse, which were great fun and a pleasure and a privilege to do it as well. Right, anyway, on to this. So, new arrival at WRCC, Minor Traveller. This is the only one we've got in at the minute. We've got maybe a smoke grey one coming later in the week and a maroon one, but for now this is it. 1968, two previous keepers on the logbook. Really nice clean car. We have done a lot on this. It's had 3 new wings. The underside's been scraped back. The repairs done to obviously WRCC standard and recoated. It's had a full wood set refinish in Osmo as per WRCC protocol. But as you can see, it's like new is the wood set. Absolutely perfect. Looking great. The paintwork's got a nice shine to it. As you know, I'd never describe anything as perfect. So there's the odd imperfection on the paintwork. But with regards to a car that you can buy, take to local shows, go to your seaside destination or countryside destination of choice and draw lots of attention, it's absolutely perfect is this one. So exterior wise, as I say, we've had reconditioned wheels fitted, 4 new wings, new wing piping, refinished wood. As per usual, train going past there. As you can see, we fitted a new exhaust. So that's not all the work we've done on her. We have a look on the inside. So we've had 2 new reconditioned seats, full new carpet set, new door cards and pulls, new rear cards. The back seat's in really nice order anyway. Headlining's in absolutely spanking order. It's had new sun visors. So as you can see, new glove box liners as well. The interior is in very, very nice clean order. Very, very nice clean order. Showing 62,939 miles. As I've probably told you, it is a 1968 model. Runs well, nice to drive, starts really good. Past the old WRCC bumpy road test with flying colours on the way up here. Nice shine on the paint, as I've probably already said. Good chrome. There is something missing, as you will probably notice there, the cold air intake pipe. We got some of those from Chateau Impney this weekend, so that's to go on in half an hour when I get back down there to the workshop and tell them that it needs doing. No bubbles at the bottom of the doors. Boot liner in great condition. I'll just look up there so you can see the headlining's in perfect order. You've got your tools in there, you've got your clamp, you've got a nice spare wheel. What's not to like? What is not to like about this one? So, given the amount of work it's had done, and given the quality of it, it's on a 16250, which is a fair price in my mind for a car of this standard. If you would like to know more, give us a call on 01422 881 221. Send us an email at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk, and further details will be on the car at www.westridingclassics.co.uk. Obviously it'll go out on this video and pictures will go out on our social media channels as well. So obviously West Riding Classics on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks guys.